Hi guys. Just recently we were asked if we ever test what we produce. Well, being that we do come up with a lot of industry firsts, we have to test them before we put them out there, because the whole concept of Post Latch is to solve problems, not to give you guys the problems. For example, a lot of people were drilling the top of the housing and the latch to pass wire through, which was not a good thing. So Post Latch introduced a modification, providing the hole through the housing and through the latch. The wire passes through the housing, through the latch, and it's quite free. So at the same time that we introduced the hole, we introduced a serration in the back. By providing this opening for the wires to pass through, we solved one problem. But the other problem that still existed was that the wire coming from the header through the hardware into the mullion down to the strikes had to have a plug inside. That plug was creating a problem because some people, not being aware that it was inside the mullion, would take the mullion out and walk away. Being 30 pounds, it's quite heavy, they'd tear the wires. Post Latch, again coming up with another first in the industry, introduced the AutoConnect. And it's a totally hands-free electrical hookup. So now the function of the post does not require anyone to unplug. They simply unlatch the post, take it out, or put it in without touching any wires. That is number one for the industry, and we're so excited to be introducing it now. The question was asked if we test the products that we put out there. Yes, we do. We thoroughly test everything that we come up with. In fact, we're completing a test as we speak. We'll go next door and I'll show you one. We set up a test bed to test the AutoConnect. The AutoConnect female is inside the housing. The male is held in by the two rivets here. And we're counting off at this time, what is that, 110,874, 75, 110,000 times. We took it apart at 30,000. Everything was clean and perfect. We took it apart at 60,000. Again, everything was perfect. Nothing was wrong with it. We took it apart at 90,000. And as you can see, every circuit is functioning perfectly. Now we're approaching over 110,000. If you were to translate that into something that you could compare it to, it would be the same as taking that mullion in and out 3 times a day, 7 days a week for 100 years. That's mind-boggling, and it's still working perfectly. We are very proud of what we've done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.